Question number 8, he said rectangle of maximum perimeter which can be inscribed in a circle. So rectangle is inscribed in a circle whose radius is given a, means now radius is constant, is a square of the side a root 2. He said that rectangle will be a square. This we need to prove. That rectangle will be a square of this side. This we need to prove with the condition that there is a circle whose radius is a and rectangle is inscribed in that circle. And radius of that circle is a units. Radius of that circle is a units. If this is a, this also will be a, right, radius. So now the question is, radius is given, so it is constant. Perimeter maximum, perimeter of rectangle we need to differentiate. Let us say length and breadth of rectangle are x and y. Let us say length and breadth are x and y. So perimeter of rectangle will be twice of x plus y. Now we need to convert it into single variable, right? Question is, if he said, let us say this is the circle, same circle, and this is the rectangle, then its length and breadth are different, then perimeter will be maximum. He said perimeter will be maximum when this rectangle will be a square. Out of this, the perimeter will be maximum for when its dimensions are, means we need to prove that x will be equal to y. Then the perimeter will be maximum. This is what we need to prove here, right? Now as this is in two variables, x and y, we need to convert it into single variable. You can see easily that if x and y's dimension will change, its theta will be changing. Like if suppose this is the rectangle, then this theta will also change. So we will convert this x and y in terms of a and theta. So we got here that by this triangle, that x upon 2a is equal to cos theta. X upon 2a is equal to cos theta, and y upon 2a, p upon h, is equal to sin theta. Now x and y both in terms of theta, where theta is also the variable, but that is now in single variable. So we got our perimeter here, that 2a cos theta plus 2a sin theta. So perimeter is 2a common, 4a cos theta plus sin theta. Now perimeter depends on single variable, that is theta, as a is constant. As we know, a is fixed here, a is constant. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. Minus sin theta plus cos theta. For maximum or minimum, this will be equal to 0. We got tan theta is equal to 1, so theta is equal to pi by 4. Tan theta is 1, so theta is equal to pi by 4. Now at this theta, you have to find double derivative. That is 4a minus cos theta and and for cos theta minus sin theta, and at theta is equal to pi by 4, this will be minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, which comes to be negative. Negative means perimeter is maximum at theta is equal to pi by 4. If theta pi by 4, then from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, x is equal to 2a cos pi by 4, that is 2a divided by root 2, that means root 2a, and y is equal to 2a sin pi by 4, that is 2a upon root 2, again root 2a. So we got x is equal to y is equal to root 2a. That means that rectangle will be a square. And this is what we need to prove, that rectangle will be a square of side root 2a. So square of side root 2a. Just note it down.